Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to track your job application using Google Sheets, and also we are going to use the Chat GPT as well. So let's get started with the video. So first you need to go to the Chat GPT and we are going to ask Chat GPT to share us the template for job tracking in Google Sheet in CSV format. So basically we can directly download it and import it in Google Sheet. It will give you free review and a downloadable link. What you need to do is click on this downloadable link and download the particular file. Since I have already been downloaded, it's giving me the error. The next thing which you can do is open the Google Sheet, which you can get on this dots that you are seeing at upper right side, and here you will see a sheet option. Click on this sheets. Post that you need to click on blank spreadsheet. Here at the upper left corner, you will see an option of files. Click on that and you will get an option of import. Click on import and then go to the upload section. Here you can click on browse and then just copy that particular thing, job tracking template, and click on open. It will take few seconds. A pop-up will come. You need to click on import data. It will start importing the data for that particular CSV file into the Google Sheet. So as you can see here, these are basically the topic names over here which needs to be highlighted. So we can just bold this out so you do not get confused. These are the various factors on which we can track our basically job application. If there is any other options which you want, any other factor which you want to add, you can just add it on the next column. For example, we will see each one. What is the date applied? If we have applied it today, then we can write 2025 06/12. That means we have applied it today. The next one is company name. You can mention any of the company, XYZ company for which you are applying. What is the job title over there? You can mention any job title. For example, I am mentioning technician here. Is the job location remote or any particular state or city location? You can mention it here. For example, I'm writing Mumbai. Is it full time, part time? You can mention it here. For example, mine is part time. I can mention it here. Is the application status? Have you applied for the interview? Is interview scheduled or are you waiting for the results? So I can write it awaiting results here. The next one is job posting URL. You can mention the URL from where you have applied for that particular job. For example, if I've applied it from LinkedIn, I will mention the LinkedIn URL here. And you can do it according to your need. The contact person here would be the HR whom you contacted for interview or any further details for regarding to the job. This will be the HR details, contact details. Same here will be the HR email, the email of the same person. Follow-up date. When will be the next follow-up date? For example, awaiting results. So the HR might have given you the date. For example, I will write the follow-up date will be tomorrow. So 06/13. And if you want to add any kind of notes regarding to your application that you have applied, for example, I'm writing here the notes that I need to send the updated resume for next interview round. So you can mention it here if any of the nodes you want to update it. Same, you can update as many job applications have you have applied for and check the updated status here. Post that, you can go to the file and save this file over there. You can click, or you can also click on Control S. It depends on you. So this is how you can track your job applications. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.